Hi everyone. Stop being ashamed of how many times you have fallen and start being proud of how many times you have got up. इस बात के लिए शर्मिंदगी महसूस मत कीजिए कि लाइफ में कितनी बार आप गिरे, बल्कि इस बात के लिए गर्व महसूस कीजिए कि आप कितनी बार गिरने के बाद दोबारा उठ के खड़े हुए और लाइफ को चैलेंज किया. What an inspiring line. You know, ये these lines, they have a deep meaning in it, and they inspire us. They give us the hope and belief that yes, this is natural. Yes, we can also get up after falling, and yes, we can do, have, and be more in our life. So I was going through with my notes, and it was written that what is the mantra of happy and fulfilling life? The mantra of happy and fulfilling life is do more, be more, have more, and give more. You know, give more completes the cycle. Most of time, very often, we forget it. We don't remember that. So, what is that? What is that you want to have? What do you really want? Do you have a vision of your future life? Where you are where you are. We are, you are here and you want to become, have at this stage of life. So you have to cover this distance from here to here. Now, कुछ तो अलग करना पड़ेगा ना. Something has to be done which will take you from here to here. So those steps as written, I'll just discuss and share with you. First of all, please understand it's a mind game, right? And no one can control your mind except you. Only you can control your mind. Trust me. अक्सर गलती ये होती है, हम ये समझते हैं कि बाहर की चीजें, आउटर सर्कमस्टांसेस, कंडीशंस एंड पीपल, दे कंट्रोल my thinking, my mind. It's a biggest dilemma. It's a biggest गलती है जो हम सोचते हैं ये गलत. This is not the fact of life. The fact of life is no one can control your mind. Only you can. Now, how you will achieve? How you will go from here to here? Now, get a clear picture of what do you really want and when. I discussed in my previous video. Want, why is your dream, and when it is attached with when, by which time it becomes your goal. So it is written here. Get a clear picture of what do you really want and by which time, when. What picture triggers you in your vision? हाँ, वो दिखना चाहिए ना कि ये मुझे चाहिए. This level I want to achieve in my life every day. Now, do you honestly believe that you have the infinite potential? सबसे पहली बात तो हम वहीं पे अपने आप को डिस्करेज कर देते हैं. अरे मेरे से नहीं होगा, मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा, मैं. These sort of thoughts, these types of thoughts, they inhibit us. They just don't allow us to do which is required. ऊपर से हमारे बहुत जो नजदीकी दोस्त, रिश्तेदार, हमारे घर के लोग, नेबर्स, उनके भी कमेंट्स. If you allow them to affect your thinking, तो कुछ तो हो ही नहीं सकता फिर. So Don't allow anybody to control your mind. And believe that you have infinite potential in you to achieve your goals, dreams, and desire. Hold tight the picture of that person which you want to be, right? You and for this exercise you need only two intellectual properties. What are those? Imagination and will. In imagination you build an image, you visualize, you have a vision of your future yourself, and the will allow you to do the required work, take the action. Now pick the one goal. हर चीज तो के पीछे भागेंगे तो वो हम हमारा एफर्ट डिवाइड हो जाएगा ना. सो प्लेन सिंपल, पिक वन गोल एंड वैसा गोल दैट स्ट्रेचेस यू द मोस्ट, जो 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 आपको डराए भी और जो आपको साथ में एक्साइट भी करे. यस, दैट आई डू. नाउ हाउ डू यू वांट टू हेल्प पीपल? और if I want to help people, what you need? Time, money, team, a, a group of people. Right? Then you need to learn the things, learnings, and blessings of the people, infrastructure, resources. These all things are required, and you will be requiring in the process, in the journey of fulfilling your dreams, desires, and goals. Right? And it's it it's seen that money is the greatest business tool, but trust me, it's not. It comes when when its time is there. Obviously, I also understand money plays a vital role, but everything is not related to the money. If you have the desire, if you have the will, you can achieve that. And what is the most required thing is imagination, which I discuss. What Napoleon Hill says in the Think and Grow Rich, we must focus on imagination. What he says, that imagination is the most marvelous, miraculous, and inconceivable, powerful force the world has ever known. It is the intellectual property humankind could ever have. We must use it more frequently, and the more frequently we use it, the more we develop it. So you imagine, and then you visualize what type of person you want to be in your future life. So that plays a vital role. That is a sort of chemistry you need to develop in your mind, right? Visualize your burning desire. What are the processes? How you do it on a daily basis? Visualize your burning desire 3 times a day. First thing in the morning, last thing in the night, once in the day. See your goals in your imagination, that it is fulfilled. The ultimate result, right? Have the trust in creative process of the universe. कुछ दिन करने के बाद हमको लगता है ये नहीं हो. It is happening. It is taking place. Allow universe to help you. Right? Then focus on your burning desires, on your goals. You don't know, but I know your burning desire. You know your burning desire being fulfilled, and it is an amazing feeling. कितना अच्छा लगता है ना कि हम जो पाना चाहते हैं, बनना चाहते हैं, अचीव करना चाहते हैं, उसको दिमाग में सोचते हैं जब हैं, तो कितनी अच्छी सी फीलिंग आती है. आपको भी आती है. So why not have that feeling, imagine it, visualize it, and work on it, and allow the universe and God and the creative process to help you achieve that. Practice, exercise, and train your mind daily, every day, day by day, 3 times a day. And the magic is every day. If you follow this at least for 3 months, 6 months, you will see the magic. You will see the result. Exercise your visualizing faculty, and that will keep your mind in order. That that is that is a sort of game, and you love it once you start doing all these things, this creative process, and you start uh, allowing your mind to work for you. Trust me, you will start loving it. It's a very good thing, very good feeling to be. Practice it and allow your mind to work for you and see the magic and see how you achieve your goals, dreams, and desire and have a fulfilled life. See you in the next video. Till then, be happy, love everyone, and keep smiling. Thanks very much. Goodbye.